Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the class and hope that you are hearing me that I posted on the screen that good evening. We are encouraged by your presence and participation and Dr. Muhammad Sahib Hussain, a voluntary professor of law and delivering the lectures in the insurance law. That is the law of insurance. And I'm sure that C.H. Aruna Kumari that you are hearing me. If the answer is yes, you please say yes, or you can say what I posted on the screen. Unmute and
Yes,
then give
sir.
the.
Good
Yes,
evening,
very
sir.
good, very good. Yes, I got that answer from you. Then let us see that syllabus is concerned, and I'm sure that in the syllabus it is clearly mentioned what are the things to be read. And here the unit one in the span of the 6 hours, I mean 6 classes. We completed the principle of utmost worth in the last class, and the unit two is the kinds of insurance. How many kinds of insurance would be there that we will see in this class? Yes, the other things regarding the growth and the unit one that you can see the my six YouTube links are there. If you just type it my name, that I will get it the YouTube and you hear it. Then we will make the review. The time will be there. So when you come to the matter of the unit two kinds of insurance, then we will see the what are the kinds of insurance would be there in general in India. So we can say that kinds of insurance or the types of insurance policies in life, unplanned expenses are bitter truth because we can expect anything then happening of anything. That's why the saying say, man proposes and God disposes. I repeat, man proposes and God disposes. So even when you think that you are financially secure, yes, now I'm comfortable, I have to have some bank balance and so and so thing, then a sudden or unforeseen expenditure can significantly hamper the security. If any untoward incidents happened over there, like an accident or somebody's what is the crippleness or loss in the business, any unexpected things will happen over there that will hamper the security. And depending on the extent of the emergency, and such instances may also leave you debt ridden. So sometimes your savings are less, but your expenditure is more. At that instant, that you will be come under the column of the debt ridden. Means you will be under the debt. That's my point. While you can't plan ahead of for the contingencies, untoward incidents arising from such incidents, insurance policies offer some balance of the support to minimize the financial liability from the unforeseen occurrences. Hence, the insurance company comes to your rescue at that instance when untoward incident happen in your life. At that instance, insurance company will take care of you, and that is the reason that we have to pay the premium depending on the type of the insurance that you can make it out. Like you say, the health insurance there for the living things, and for the non-living things, you can say the other insurance companies comes over there for the property, like the fire insurance, marine insurance, travel insurance, mobile insurance, bicycle insurance, motor vehicle insurance, and so on and so forth, including the your tone insurance also. Suppose if you are a good singer and some stress, at that instance, the people will use the tone insurance also. So that is the one of the factor over there, and somebody is calling, but they don't know that I am on the online class. Better let it be closed down. Then we will say that yes. Yeah, come to the matter of the yes, but broadly there are the 8 types of the insurance we can read under this column, and what are they? So number one, it is a life insurance. Generally, that we know it for the life is concerned. Then the number two, motor insurance. Number three, health insurance. Four, travel insurance. Five, property insurance. Six, mobile insurance. Seven, cycle insurance, and the last one is bite size insurance or bit size insurance. BIT bite means it is a piece of it. One can bite it with the mouth. So perhaps that is an idea bite size insurance. Simply knowing the various insurance
Sir,
policies.
maybe my mobile cycle incident, sir.
Pardon? Yes,
Hello?
somebody is calling, but generally
Sir,
I don't.
hello?
Yeah, generally I don't look
Sir,
at the phone.
regarding the cycle insurance and book size insurance.
Yeah. This also there. Hello. Yes, somebody is. Yes, sir. I'm on the online, sir. You can call me later, sir. Yes, yes. Tell me, sir. Tell me, madam. Cycle insurance means here bicycle
Yeah.
insurance. Here not cycle
Yes, sir.
insurance. Two-wheeler insurance, we can say. Uh, so not a bicycle. Bicycle means, of course, it's not a leg propelled. Means not pedal one. It's a motor one. So let us see the simply the knowing the various insurance policies does not help, and instead you must know how each of these plans will work or policies work. Without adequate knowledge about each of them, you may not able to protect your finances as well as the financial well-being of your family members. So let us read the what are the actually the things are there. Let us see the life insurance. What is meant by life insurance? Let me see it now. So life insurance refer to a policy or cover whereby the policy holder can ensure financial freedom for his or her family members after death. So suppose you are the sole earning member in your family and supporting your family at the time, and at that time, if any untoward incidents happen over there, then your family would be on the roads. So to prevent from them or to sending them on the roads, what I do, because you are only the breadwinner would be there, so then you will make the insurance policy, and that insurance policy, in case of an untoward incidents like death is happened over there, then the nominee, that you generally your wife would be there, the nominee, and she will be entitled to get the all the amount, and thus the people and including the family widow will not be on the roads. So that is the point of it. In such an event, your death would financially devastate the whole family. Life insurance policies ensure that such a thing does not happen by providing the financial assistance to your family in the event of your passing. So that is the main idea of the life insurance. Yes, even when you buy a ticket to fly, yes, there is a insurance is there, because if any untowards happen, like a plane crash is there, that insurance will when we are only one the breadwinner would be there. At that instance, your children as well as your wife will be on the crossroads. So that's why the people will make the insurance. And the type of the life insurance policies, of course, there are many types are there. If you could happen to see any one of the agent, he will explain you more than me. Like a professor, he will explain you so that you could impress by it. Then you take one policy. So these are there are primarily 7 different types of insurance policies when it comes to the life insurance. What are they? Then term plan insurance, the death benefit from a term plan is only available for a specified period, for instance, 40 years from the date of the policy purchase. So that is called term plan, 40 years at a stage from the date of the policy purchase. Suppose if I want to take the insurance, nobody would come forward to take the insurance because I am 65 plus. So that is the reason. So next is the endowment plan. There's endowment plans are life insurance policies where you portion of your premium go towards the death benefit, while the remaining is invested by the insurance provider. So maturity benefits, death benefits, and periodic bonus are some types of the system from endowment policies. In the endowment policy insurance, there is a bonus would be there. So the bonus will be given to you from time to time. The third one is the unit linked insurance plans for the ULIP, you say, ULIPs. Similar to the endowment plans, a part of your insurance premium go towards a mutual fund investment, and while the remaining goes towards the death benefit. So this is also a good plan. There is a ULIP plan. Then comes the whole life insurance. As the name suggests, such policies offer life cover for the whole life of an individual instead of a specific term. Some insurance may restrict the whole life insurance tenure is to 100 years, of course. And a man will not live up to the 100 years. Might be out between the 60 to 70s, if at all more the 70 to 80s. Rare occasion 80s to 90s. Yeah. So that is the whole life insurance also a plan would be there. Then comes the child's plan, that is investment come insurance policy, which provides a financial aid for your children throughout their lives. The death benefits is available as a lump sum payment after the death of the parents. So with the child plan times also be there. Then if the death happens over there, at that instance the amount will go to the child plan, and the investment would be there in one way, in another way. So money back insurance. This is another type of the insurance. Such policy pay a certain percentage of the plans, some assured after the regular intervals. That is known as survival benefit. Suppose you were survived over there, with the money back policy that you will be given some. some commission for that. So in the retirement plan, so this is also known as the pension plans. These policies are a fusion of the investment and insurance. A portion of the premium goes towards creating a retirement corpus for the policyholder. That this is available as a lump sum monthly payment after the policyholder retires. So, retirement plans every month you will get some of the amount as a pension. So that is the retirement benefit plan. So all these things, the benefit of life insurance. What is the benefit of life insurance is concerned? So if you see the benefit of life insurance, if you possess the life insurance plan, you can enjoy the following advantages from the policy. The reason is tax benefits are there. Suppose if you buy the policy, there is a tax benefit under section 80 capital C and 10D of the Income Tax Act. You can save a substantial sum of money taxes by opting for his life insurance plans. So encourages the saving habits. So if you could pay the premium would be there. So if any untoward incidents happen, then you will not be broken down by the financial burden. So that is the encourages the saving habit. Then next comes the secure families financial safe future. So let us see that what is the secure family financial future. The policy ensures your family's financial independence is maintained even after your demise, your death. So if your death would be also there is a widow or children, even they can subsist and they cannot be on the roads or they cannot be exploited by other people or they will not be, and the children will, may not also be the beggars. So this is the way that the advantage will be there for insurance. And next is the helps plan your retirement. Then certain life insurance policies also act as the investment options. For instance, pension plans offer a lump sum amount as soon as you retire, helping you to find the retirement benefit. So these are the certain benefits would be there where the insurance would be available to the people. So now you will see that what type of the insurance that you have. Telakula Ramarao garu. Yes, you can unmute and then give the reply to my question. What type of the insurance do you have? Yes, please speak.
Sir,
What type of the insurance you have with you?
what type of
మీకు ఏం ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఉన్నదండి?
LIC vehicle
ఆ,
insurance?
అంటే అది విలేజ్లో మోడల్ ఉన్నాయి, ప్లాన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏ ప్లాన్? మనీ బ్యాక్ ప్లానా, రిటైర్మెంట్ ప్లానా, ఏం ప్లాన్ అది?
మనీ బ్యాక్ ప్లాన్ ఒకటి ఉంది సార్.
ఒకటి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ దాని అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటిది మనీ బ్యాక్ ప్లాన్?
5 years ఒకసారి రిటర్న్ బ్యాక్ వస్తాయి అమౌంట్.
ఓకే.
మరి ఆఫ్టర్ 15 years మళ్ళీ మొత్తం అమౌంట్ వస్తుంది.
అంటే మీరు 15 years కే పెట్టిండ్రు అది?
అవును.
అంటే ఒకటి మీరు పెట్టిండ్రా, ఏజెంట్ పెట్టిండా?
ఏజెంట్ పెట్టిండు.
ఎందుకంటే వాడికి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకుంటాడండి వయసు. ఎస్,
మనీ బ్యాక్ పాలసీస్ లో 2 ఉంటాయి. 20 years ఒకటి, 25 years ఒకటి ఉంటుంది మనీ బ్యాక్ పాలసీస్ కి.
ఇప్పుడు మనం
20 years.
ఎవ్రీ 5 years అనేది అమౌంట్ రిటర్న్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది సార్ అది.
ఓకే, ఓకే. సో people, they, of course the agent will explain you that which one is the best, which one is not. Of course, in any way, in both the way, it is a saving to us in one form in another form, because we cannot expect what will happen next. So even I saw, because some of my relatives, I went to the Saudi. Of course, there is no Saudi flight directly, so I went to the Dubai, from Dubai to the Saudi. So he is secured for his COVID-19 insurance scheme he joined. So he made the insurance for the COVID diseases. So like the health insurance, special diseases for also there is a insurance policy like a COVID insurance. He did it. Of course, he paid the 8,000 some change as a premium. Or premium or the payment, it seems either 1 year plan it is or a 6 months period. I don't know exactly how much the period will be there, but he said he paid eight.
I don't think in LIC there is no COVID health plan, sir.
But no, I think because he has taken because the agent, when he has taken the ticket, yes, he has taken the 8,000 he paid and he took the COVID insurance. Yes.
As in working as agents in LIC
Okay.
only.
But as far my knowledge goes, he said, yes, please.
స్టార్ హెల్త్ ఉంది.
Yes, please.
స్టార్ హెల్త్ లో ఉంది కోవిడ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అది.
ఏమో మరి నాకైతే చెప్పిండు, నాకైతే ఏం చెప్పిండంటే, యా.
It's private sector, Star Health
Of course,
Insurance.
ప్రైవేట్ లో ఉన్నాయి, చాలా ఉంటాయి ప్రైవేట్ లో, ఎందుకంటే ద ఎసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఇస్ టు మేక్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో ద ప్రైవేట్ వుడ్ బి దేర్, బట్ ఇఫ్ ద గవర్నమెంట్ వుడ్ బి దేర్, దే విల్ టేక్, దే డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టేక్ ద మోర్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఆర్ మోర్ బర్డెన్ ఆల్సో. సో దట్ ద రీజన్ దే డిడ్ నాట్ put it over there. But what he, according to his version, is that he taken the COVID insurance. So what I want to say is now that you know all about life insurance policies and read on the understood that, and now that you know all about life insurance policies, and let us see the what is the next insurance that is set with the motor insurance. So motor insurance refers to the policies that offer financial assistance in the event of a accident involving your car or bike. So motor insurance can be availed for three categories motorized vehicles. What are the three category motorized vehicles? They have said, including the car insurance. Yes, personally owned four-wheelers vehicles are covered under such a policy. That is, a personal car insurance is there. Either in that insurance we can make it a third-party insurance, or we can make it a comprehensive insurance. And the next is the two-wheelers insurance. That is the personally owned two-wheelers vehicles, including the bikes and scooters, are converted into these plans. Then the commercial vehicle insurance, like the commercial vehicle lorries and trucks and mini trucks. Like if you own a vehicle that is used commercially, you need a insurance for the same. These policies ensure that your business automobile stay in the best of shape, reducing the losses significantly. Even a tractor also needs the insurance because it also carries the load. Number one, in the wagon. Number two, it plows and irrigation purpose, it can be used over there. Then next, the types of the motor insurance policies are concerned based on the extent of the coverage and protection offered. Motor insurance policies are of the three types, namely third-party insurance, that is the third-party liability. That is the amount of basic type of the motor insurance covers in India. It is the minimum mandatory requirement for all the motorized vehicle owners as per the Motor Vehicle Act of 1988. That say any motor vehicle which will be on the road should be insured. That is the policy. If they don't insure it, you will be penalized and you will be fined also. Due to the limited financial assistance, and the premium for such policies also tend to be low. Of course, in the third party insurance where the premium is low, but where the comprehensive insurance, the premium is high. So now the particular Rava, what insurance that you have for your car that and your to motorbike, including the madam also? Yes.
ఓన్ సార్, పర్సనల్ సార్, అది ఓన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ సార్.
మోటార్ బైక్ ఏది ఉన్నదండి అంటే ఓన్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అంటారు ఏంటండి
సార్? ఏంటి మోటార్ బైక్లు?
మోటార్ బైక్ ఏ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ లేదు. మోటార్ బైక్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ లేదు. యూ కెనాట్ కీప్ ద మోటార్ బైక్ ఆన్ ద రోడ్.
నేషనల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ సార్.
అదే థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్, కాంప్రిహెన్సివ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్.
థర్డ్ పార్టీ కాదు సార్. ఇస్తాడు ఇవ్వడు కదా, సింగిల్ ఇస్తాడుగా టూ వీలర్కి. కార్కి ఇస్తాడు థర్డ్ పార్టీ.
మోటార్ సైకిల్ ఇచ్చాడా థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్?
ఇవ్వడు కదా సార్.
అది ఎవరు అన్నారు?
లేదు సార్, ఇవ్వడు. థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ఇవ్వడు.
ఇస్ ఇట్
సార్ మోటార్ వెహికల్ కి
ఓన్లీ
థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఉంటది కదా సార్ మోటార్ వెహికల్ కి?
ఓన్లీ ఫోర్ వీలర్ కే ఇస్తాడు థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్.
లేదు సార్ మోటార్ వెహికల్ కూడా ఉంది.
ఎందుకంటే నా కారు ఉంటే నేను థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేయించుకున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే పాత కారు కాబట్టి.
అవును సార్, అదే కొత్త కార్కి అయితే మనం కంప్లీట్ ఫుల్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ చేపిస్తాం.
ఎస్.
సెకండ్ హ్యాండ్ అంటే థర్డ్ పార్టీ చేపిస్తాం.
మరి మోటార్ బైక్ ఉంటుంది ఆలయం. మోటార్ బైక్ ఎన్ని టైపులో ఉంటుంది ఇన్సూరెన్స్?
ఉండదు సార్, ఉండదు.
అంటే ఒకటే ఉంటది మామూలుగా.
అవును సార్.
ఏది థర్డ్ పార్టీ?
ఉండదు సార్ మోటార్ బైక్ కి.
ఓకే, ఓన్లీ వన్ థింగ్ షుడ్ బి దేర్. సో ఓన్లీ వన్ టైప్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఐ బిలీవ్.
అంతే అంతే, అది కట్టేదే చిన్న అమౌంట్ కదా. యాక్చువల్ థర్డ్ పార్టీ అంటేనే అమౌంట్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది సార్ అది.
Yeah. Because what they say, where the comprehensive insurance is there, where the premium is more, and the third party insurance there, the premium is low. Yes. Any contributions that you would like to make? Because I would also see because my DO is having the insurance or not, because I did not see it for a long time. So I would like to see whether it is having the insurance or not. If not, I will not make it out. If not, they will say, what you are, sir? I am a professor of law. If the professor of law, people like you are the breakers means you are lawmaker should not be a lawbreaker, isn't it? Say yes or no. Okay. So are you hearing me? Say yes. Because sometimes
Yes, yes.
when the signals goes away, I could not get the reply from you. So now the question comes over there. Comprehensive covers. One is the third party liability is there. Then the next is the comprehensive cover means vehicle, third party, the owner or who is traveling in the vehicle also will be get the compensation. Compared to the third party liability options, comprehensive insurance plans offer the better protection and security. Apart from the coverage of third party liability, these plans are also cover the expenses incurred for the repairing the damage to the policyholder's own vehicle due to an accident. Additionally, comprehensive plans also offer a payout in case of your vehicle sustains damage due to fire and man-made and natural calamities. Say, he said man-made. Man-made means suppose some riots have broken the glasses and damaged your property. At that instance, also you will get the insurance. And a fire, yes, it will get the insurance. And natural calamities, yes, earthquakes, volcanoes, or whatever the natural calamities or catastrophes or the natural disasters are there, that you will get the insurance. When the riots take place and other such insurances also in the comprehensive insurance, that you will get the compensation for the vehicle which is damaged. Lastly, you can recover the bike's cost of it is stolen also. If it gets stolen also, you will get the full cost of it. When you have a comprehensive covers in place, one can also opt for the several add-ons with their comprehensive motor insurance policy that can make it the better rounded. So what I want to say is generally the third party insurance and the comprehensive, the two part of the insurance will be there for the motor vehicle. Some of these add-ons include the zero depreciation cover and engine and gearbox and protections cover, consumable cover, breakdown assistance are there. All the parts of the motor vehicle will not be compensated, especially the fiber parts will not be compensated. Only iron parts will be compensated in the motor vehicle. So that is about the motor vehicle. The two types of the insurances. One is the third party liability, another is the comprehensive insurance. Then is the own damage cover. This is another type of it. This is a specialized form of the motor insurance which insurance company offer to consumer. Further, you are eligible to avail such a plan only if you purchase the two-wheeler or a car after September 2018. So the vehicle must be brand new and not a second-hand one. You should also remember that you can avail this stand alone your own damage cover only if you already have a third-party liability motor insurance policy in place. While own damage cover, you basically receive the same benefits as the comprehensive policy without the third-party liability portion of the policy. So the own benefit scheme also there, which is introduced in the 2018 letters. It is like a comprehensive, but not without the third party liability would be there. So, what is the benefit of the motor insurance policies? So, in any accident is concerned, because a man would not have that much to bear it again. So, a purchasing motor is very easy, but maintenance is hard. Do you agree to this statement? Yes.
Yes,
Please
sir.
say.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's the purchasing is very easy, but maintenance is hard. So that is the which I want to make it out. See, I am getting another another call. I would like, but let me take this call, then I'll speak to you. Uh, हाँ हाँ साहब बोलना साहब नहीं वो उसमें था ना मैं अच्छा अच्छा बोल देता हूँ ठीक है और मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास पे हूँ मैं अभी ऑनलाइन क्लास पे हूँ बात राइट Yes, the point here is the prevent the legal hassle because insurance will make it out to prevent any losses will occur over there. Helps you to avoid any traffic fines and other illegalities that you would otherwise need to bear. I don't know whether the traffic fines will be borne by the policy. Yes, some of the advantage of purchasing the plan, whether the traffic fines also paid by the insurance company. Yes, please speak. Okay, forget. I don't know whether you are hearing me or not. Okay. Meets all third party liability. Again, if you are injury a person, damage someone's property during the vehicular accident, the insurance policy helps to meet the monetary losses effectively. And the financial assistance to repair your own vehicle. Yes, insurance will come to the rescue, and if anything damaged, if it is the comprehensive insurance, then damages will be borne by the insurance company. Then the theft or loss or occurs over there, then also this insurance will come to the rescue. You can expect a similar assistance if your vehicle is damaged beyond repair due to the accident. Additionally, individuals who own a commercial car or two-wheelers can also avail the tax benefits if they pay a premium for the vehicle. I don't think it is if you pay the premium would be there, of course, they can show that in an expenditure, and I think the exemption will get it over there. Since yes, the third one is the health insurance. So we covered the first life insurance, next we covered the motor insurance, then the third one comes the health insurance, and the time is 5:27. Still we have time because I started at the 5 o'clock and we will end by the 5:45. So when you come to the health insurance concern, how health insurance refers to the type of the general insurance and which provides the financial assistance to the policyholders when they are admitted to hospital for a treatment. Additionally, some plans are also cover the cost of treatment undertaken at home prior to the hospitalization or after discharge from the same. So in the health insurance also some of the diseases will not be covered over there, but some diseases will be covered and that much will be paid to them. So that was the thing which is clearly stated in the terms and conditions of the health insurance. With the rising the medical inflation in India, buying health insurance has become a necessity. Yes, it is true. Because the cost of the hospitalization is more, especially at the time of the COVID, and which runs into the lakhs. Later on, the dead body should be taken back. So it is a general thing which happen over there. Hence, I made such a statement. However, before proceeding with your purchase, consider the various types of the health insurance plans available in India. So, what are the health insurance policies available in India that we'll see it? So, there are eight main type of the health insurance policies available in India. So what are they? Number one is the individual health insurance. These are the healthcare plans then offer medical cover to just one policy holder. That is the individual health insurance. Number two, family floater insurance. And these policies allow you to avail the health insurance for your entire family without needing to buy a separate plan for each member. Generally, husband, wife, two of their children are allowed health cover under one such family floater policy. If the what will happen if the more than two is there? Anyone? Two children are there. Unmute and give the answer to my question. Sir, we are not.
Question repeating.
Pardon?
Sir, question repeating.
That means you did not hear in proper way. They say it's floating. How many members in the family float insurance? How many members will be covered under the insurance?
Four members.
Who are they?
Father and mother and children's.
And here they say these policies allow you to avail health insurance for your entire family without needing and buy a separate plan for each member. Generally, husband, wife, and two of their children are allowed health cover under one such family floater policy. So you said father, mother also covers over. Of course, that depends upon the nature of the.
Sir, the family had have the parents. They didn't get the health insurances, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you for adding you. That means father and mother will not get the health insurance. Only the head of the family, that is the wife and husband plus two children, will get the health insurance. Suppose if you want to cover entire one, I think the insurance may be a different type. Is it? Yes. Please support me. Add,
Okay, sir.
supplement. Supplement.
But may I think the head of the family, parents also got the insurance, sir, if they want to do the insurance.
The premium is high.
The premium got the high, sir.
The number of the children will cover over there. The number of the family members are there. Then it depends upon it. You can increase the number also. Suppose father, mother is there, and wife, father, mother is there, and wife is only one daughter, and they are dependent on the daughter. At that instance, even the husband, father and mother, and the wife, father and mother also could be included over there, provided the premium should be high.
Conditions apply.
Yes. So, అది ఎందుకంటారండి మంది ఎక్కువైతే మజ్జిగ పలిచేయని చెప్పండి
Yes, sir. Yes.
ఎందుకు
మంది ఎక్కువైతే పెరుగు
సరిపోదు కాబట్టి మందైనా సరిపోదు కాబట్టి మజ్జిగ
you
కంటిన్యూ
you
చేస్తారు.
you add the water, dilute it so that it will cover the many people. So that is I was saying would be there. The critical illness cover. This is another critical illness cover is there. There are specialized health plans that provide the extensive financial assistance when the policy holder is diagnosed with the specific chronic illnesses. These plans provide a lump sum payout after such a diagnosis, unlike a typical health insurance policies. So depending upon the nature of the chronic illnesses would be there. So the health insurance will cover. So that is the one another type of the health insurance and a senior citizen health insurance. So a senior citizen, when you say senior citizen, anyone? Yes.
Above 60 years age senior citizen, yes, sir.
కానీ రైల్వేలో లేడీస్ అయితే 58, జెంట్స్ అయితే 60. As per the railway rules are concerned. Our railway act is concerned. 58 is the ladies and 60 is the gents, senior citizen. So in the senior citizens health insurance also there, as the name suggests, is a self-explanatory. These policies specifically cater the individuals aged 60 plus, 60 years and beyond. That's called 60 plus. So that is the senior citizen health insurance. Next is the group health insurance. Such policies are generally offered to employees of an organizations or a company. A group insurance would be there. They are the designated in such a way that the older beneficiaries can be removed and the fresh beneficiary can be added as per the company's employees retention capability. So older people will be removed and the new people will be added over there. The old is eliminated, new is added over there. That policy would be applied in the group health insurance. Then the maternity health insurance, these policies cover the medical expenses during the prenatal, postnatal delivery stages. It covers both the mother as well as her newborn. So maternal health insurance also a insurance we can make it out. Then the personal accident insurance, these medical insurance policies only cover the financial liability from the injuries, disabilities, or death arising due to the accidents. So the personal accident insurance also we can make it out. The last one is preventive healthcare plan. Such policies cover the cost of the treatment concerned with the preventing a severe diseases or condition. So these are the roughly the idea behind the types of the insurance available for the health. Then still we do have the 10 minutes in your hand. Let me see the what is the benefit of the health insurance. The benefit is very much obvious because a man cannot afford to make such a big bills and which is soaring in the air and touching the sky. That is the bill total amount. Yeah, after assessing the various kinds of the health insurance available, you must be wondering why availing such a plan is essential for you and your loved ones. Look at the reasons listed below to understand why we need the health insurance. Number one, medical cover. The primary benefit of such insurance is that it offers the financial coverage against our medical expenses. So medical cover will be there if you take the insurance. Number two, cashless claims. If you seek the treatment at one of the hospitals that have a tie up with your insurance provider, yes, you can avail the cashless claim benefit. Just you go and admit yourself, the bill will go to their insured, the insurer, because they do have tie up with the hospital, the insurer and the insured with the insured here is the hospital. Yes, the tie up with the hospital in such a way you need not to pay it directly, the bill goes to the insurance company and where the insurance company will pay it. So these features ensure that all the medical bills are directly settled between your insurer and hospital. So that is the cashless claim. And third one is tax benefits. Yes, if you take the insurance, yes, there is some tax benefit will be there under section 80 capital D of the income tax, and one can avail the tax benefit up to the 1 lakh on the premium payment of their health insurance policies. Of course, the ceiling is put it over there. It is not more than 1 lakh. If you 1 lakh on the premium, you will pay it. The tax benefit will be all available there. So there may be additional advantages also depending upon the insurance providers in the question. So it depends upon the insurance provider what are the other benefits it is going to give it. So based on that thing, it can be done. So that is the thing which I want to share. Then the next fourth one is the travel insurance. Nowadays, the medical shops are becoming more and more. So now the medical shop are saying, suppose if you make a bulk order more than 300 or 400 or 1000, then we will make the door delivery with the 10% commission. Did you see such a thing? Yes. Anyone? Unmute and give the answer. Unmute and give me the answer. Sir, క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి సార్ అడగండి మళ్ళీ. క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ మేక్ ఏ ఆర్డర్ ఫర్ ద ఏ పర్టికులర్ షాప్ ఫర్ ద పర్చేసింగ్ ఆఫ్ ది మెడిసిన్, దట్ is the medical shop. At that instance, the medical shop makes such a, I don't say it's a gimmick, but he will make a scheme in such a way, if you order, of course he will make the 1000 or 100, not 100 exactly, 500 or 1000 bill, they will make you the door delivery and they take the money. Is that the facility would be there in the Khammam and Warangal in other places? Please speak. Unmute and speak. Sir,
Actually, don't know, sir, this.
yes.
If there is a maybe chance.
Hyderabad లో అయితే చాలా ఉన్నాయి అట్లాంటివి.
Hyderabad is there, sir, but Warangal, Khammam, no, sir.
Anyway, that is because that is the health insurance would be there where the people will give such a thing. You buy one and get two free. The first and foremost, where you will find a lot of ladies would be there. You buy one and you will get the two free. But they don't know the logic. In the one only they will include the cost. Anyway, no matter, because it is playing with the psychology of the people. Did you get my point? Say yes or no.
No, sir, no, sir.
Yes.
I didn't got, sir.
అడు పెడతాడు, ఏమని పెడతాడు, ఒక్క చీరే కనుక్కుంటారు, ఇంకొక చీరే ఫ్రీ అంటాడు. బట్ ఆ ఒక్క చీరలో ఆ రెండో చీర కూడా కొంచెం యాడ్ చేస్తాడు, ఎందుకంటే వేరే ఇచ్చే చీరే దట్ ఈస్ ద ఓల్డ్ స్టాక్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ దట్ ఇస్ దట్ దే డోంట్ వాంట్ టు కీప్ యాజ్ ఏ వైట్ ఎలిఫెంట్ దేర్. సో దే విల్ ఇంక్లూడ్ సర్టెన్ థింగ్. యూ బై వన్ సారీ అండ్ యూ విల్ గివ్ అనదర్ సారీ ఫ్రీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద లుక్రేటివ్ మెథడ్. అంటే గాలం వేసిందా అన్నట్టు అర్థం అక్కడ. అది నెరవేరిందా అండి? ఎస్.
Okay, అర్థమైంది.
Okay. So travel insurance also we will see. What is the travel insurance? When talking about the different type of the insurance policies, one must not forget to learn more about the travel insurance plans. Such policies ensure the financial safety of the travelers during the trip. Therefore, when compared to other insurances policies, travel insurance is a short-term cover. In every flight, a insurance premium would be there in the flight ticket only. That, of course, limited liability for the insurance. So, depending upon the provider you choose, the travel insurance may offer financial aid at the various times, such during the loss of a baggage and the trip cancellation and much more, or untoward incident happen. Yes, the travel insurance will come to the rescue. Here is a look at some of the different types of the travel insurance plans available in the country. Domestic travel insurance. This is the kind of travel insurance policy that safeguard your finances during the travel within India. That's why we say domestic, not international. However, if you plan to step outside the country for your vacation, such a policy would not offer any aid. So domestic travel insurance will not cover there if you go with it, but you have to take the another type of insurance that is said to be the second one, which is called international travel insurance. Yes, this is when you go beyond the India. If you are stepping out of the country, you are flying out of the country, and to ensure that you pick an international travel insurance plan, It allows you to cover the unforeseen expenses that can arise during your trip, like medical emergencies and baggages loss and loss of passports, etc. In the international travel insurance, it is there for all international travel passengers. It is there because it is already there, and put it there in the to and fro ticket itself. Yes, it is only one time it will be there. Once again, when you go, again you pay it. So that is a must. If anything happened, benefit will be there. Nothing happened, nothing we are going. Yes, the next type is home holiday insurance. When you are traveling with your family, your home remains unguarded and unprotected. At that time, you can make the home holiday insurance. Chances of the burglaries there are always significant, which may lead to the significant losses. Thankfully, with the home holiday insurance plans, which are often included within the travel policies, you are financially protected from such event as well. So there is the home holiday insurance would be there when you are traveling. At that time, there is a chance of the burglary in your house. Then the people will take away everything. So that's why that you issue your house. So there is another way of the thing regarding the insurance of the travel is concerned. Yes. Now let us see the benefit of the travel insurance is concerned. What is the benefit will be available? So benefit, as well as told you know, cover of the flight delays are there, and baggages delay is there. Reclaim last travel documents are there. Trip cancellation cover is there. These are all things will be covered under the travel insurance. If a sudden death in the family or a medical emergency may play a spoil sport with your travel arrangements, thankfully, international travel insurance plans support trip cancellation in such events, and you can claim the financial assistance to pay the penalties and the cancellation charges for the flights and the hotels also. Even more than 7 years or 8 years delay would be there. Then as per the IATA rules, you will be provided with that accommodation. And yes, that is the provision would be there. And when the flight also cancelled, the flight is next day, then you will be given the hotel. There is a 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, depending upon the tie up with them, and they will provide with that hotel, and you can stay there and free of cost. Everything that you can enjoy except the alcohol drinks. Yes, make sure that you choose an insurer carefully, especially a company that is available and available to 24 into 7 to assist you. What is this 24 into 7? Anyone? Yes?
24 hours by 7 days.
Yes.
Weekly
Means
7 days.
entire week అన్నట్టు. Is it? అంటే ఎల్లప్పుడూ ఓపెన్ ఉంటుంది అన్నట్టు 24 into 7 అంటే. Medical shops 24 into 7 for only few shops, not all the shops. Petrol bunk, yes, 24 into 7. Some few petrol bunks, not all the petrol bunks. Of course, it may vary also. Of course, we have to apply, and depending upon the contingencies are concerned, then especially the uh, highways, yes, they will be run on the 24 hours. Because if any untoward incident happen, people rush there, and the petrol bunk for the petrol, if it is otherwise the load will be in the middle, they stop when the petrol is over at the time, or petrol or diesel. That's why we can say fuel. The fuel stations, either it's a petrol or a diesel. We will say the fuel station. So with this one, that the time is 5:45, and the 5 o'clock that I started. Perhaps I don't know whether the time is the conducive to or not, but anyway, that I don't want to hurt the feelings of the regular staff. So that is the reason that I made it, because I am also a teacher. They also a teacher. A teacher will definitely respect another teacher. So I would like to continue it. Even one student also there, I don't hesitate to stop or continue my class. It means I don't hesitate to stop the class, means I will continue the class. With this, I would like to wind up of my things. Then thank you very much for your patient hearing. And if any doubt would be there, you can ask me now before I closing. Yes, any doubt, please ask me. Or shall I close down? Yes, please.
No doubts, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, and see you again at 5 o'clock tomorrow. And rest we can see
Thank
what
you,
is the
sir.
next topic. Thank you very much.